drawing tips and techniques. 1. Shading charcoal. When shading charcoal, many people make the mistake of shading it with their fingers, which causes smudges. So it's better to use a paintbrush to blend the charcoal, and it even gives it a smoother look overall. 2. Charcoal smudges. When drawing with charcoal, you may experience lots of smudges. So putting paper, a magazine, or a piece of plastic, you can lessen smudges. I personally like using plastic because if there is some charcoal underneath it, you can wipe it off easily. 3. Gel pens. I am sure many of you know that gel pens take forever to dry. So unless you want to make a gradient, you can take a piece of paper and put it over it to dry it quicker. The end. I hope you enjoyed the video.